Balochistan is a land which offers a magical look depicting all varieties of nature. The crystal clear flowing of waters offer habitation to a variety of fishes, including golden mashir. The jumping and running wild goats always aid much to the glories of nature, while the singing pheasants break the silence in vast valleys with making resounding their shrill voice, with the beginning as well as at the end of every day. The lovely doves always show the kindness of nature, but never escape when comes under the targets of falcons. The migratory birds like ducks add more to the glory of our region when the winter sets in. The hospitality of our soil attracts a good variety of wild reptiles and animals to inhabit here from centuries. The flora and fauna work as food stuff of different animals, birds, and reptiles. The kindness of nature, though, has no bounds but tightly bounded with the law of nature. Destroying an element or unit of nature tantamounts to the destruction of whole cycle, which we call the degradation of natural environment.